Hey, YouTube, and most importantly, my friend Matt, who is I've dragged into this TikTok world, so I feel obligated to help him out. I promise this channel is not going to become a YouTube TikTok channel. It's just the app has been fascinating me for a while, and it's probably why I'm getting distracted and not actually doing audio videos, podcasting related videos like I should be. Matt asked me how to put text on the screen and have it only appear for a certain amount of time. That's what a lot of videos do, and it's not very obvious. So on the app, when you hit plus and you record a video, so where am I here? I'll flip myself around. This is me recording a video for a little bit of time, zooming in, because that's what you do on TikTok a lot. Zooming in, cringy, whatever, all that kind of stuff. Oh, you can go side to side too. And then check mark, done. This is me recording a video for a little bit of time. Zooming. Let's put a different sound on there just for fun.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Turn down the original.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Perfect.
This is not my Batman glass.
So go text and hi, this is a test.
Whoa, whoa.
That's gonna be annoying. For Matt, let's say.
Lois, this is not
Let's
my Batman glass.
Can I do Matt? Doesn't find users, is it? Or mentions very easily.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Anyways, put some stuff around it.
Whoa, whoa.
Okay, I'm just gonna turn that down for a moment.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
So I can hear myself. So then the text is on the screen. Then just tap on the text, and on the right-hand side, you can see the little timer thingy. Now you can mark out the duration of how long you want that text on the screen for. Check mark. Done. So that works as well for stickers. So you can put a poll. Is this no? Is this a cool video? Question mark. Tap on it. Oh, I guess those don't have, probably picked the wrong one. But if you do another sticker like balloons, I'm sure. Tap on that, timer. So I want the balloons to appear after the text is gone for a little while. Done. And then I want this at the end here. So let's drag it over.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
And that's how it works. What was the other question you had? Yeah, the other question about audio, and like the audio that you put on the video is longer than what the original audio is longer, and it isn't in the final version. It cuts off the audio, and I think, someone else correct me if I'm wrong, if you're out there in TikTok land and you know this, you're probably 12 years old, you're probably not watching my channel, so why would you know this? But someone knows who watches this video. I have a feeling it's a copyright thing where they limit how much of a song they don't know about can appear in a video or something like that. It's like, a certain, like Taylor Swift song or whatever, you can only have a certain amount of it in the video, and maybe the app doesn't do a good job of explaining that, but I could be wrong. Anything else? I think the other part of it is, I'm just going to say demoing teaching. Let's go with teaching oh man, I can't type today. Technique now let's see if I can, there we go. Hashtag, so you put the FY for you page is like how you get lots of followers and people watching it apparently. Hashtag for you. And how to talk 7 million. Let's go with that. Okay, I'm going to post this, and then I'm going to post this video on my YouTube channel. Hopefully this all works. Thanks for watching.
What are you and why are you here? Why? Why?